Hello everyone. Before I start, I would like to introduce myself in brief. I am Lieutenant Bishampal Yadav, retired from Indian Navy on completion of 33 years of glorious service. Recently, we have started Dolphin Career Guidance Center at Rewadi for our local students. Working with DEA, the company has been in the noble profession for last 13 years successfully. There are 3 lakh plus students have been registered with the company for guidance. You will be surprised to know that the company has over 2,500 well qualified, well trained, very senior expert mentors always available for you to guide. Now to start with, let me tell you, you won't even buy a movie ticket costing 500 to 600 rupees without knowing who all are the actors and actresses in that movie, or without understanding what is the story or what is the plot of that movie, or without knowing what is the rating number of the stars in that movie, and also without watching the trailer of the movie. Nor you'll go to a random restaurant, buy or order a random dish which you have never seen, heard, dreamt, imagined, smelt, and you won't even pay for it. These are the learning experiences that we do in these activities or experiments. When you go to a random theater, buy a random ticket for a random movie, you probably have a chance or an option to come out in the interval, and if not, then in first 10-15 minutes you will be a wiser person. And the same thing goes with the hotel. You buy a random dish, you come out, you will not make this mistake repeatedly. You are learning a lesson, you are learning from your past experience or mistakes, and you will be a wiser person. But with the career, can you do that? Can you put your kid's life at risk? Please realize the graves or the mistakes that we all, you and I as a parent, end up doing. Can you order a dish for a child which he does not like and you pay for it? No, you can't. Please remember, you cannot put your kid's life at risk. His or her future can never be jeopardized. If as a parent you really want your kid should be successful, should excel in life, then please let us start doing what we are required to do. And to ensure that, I can assure it is only and only happening with the career guidance. What makes an ordinary career extraordinary? Career, though a small word, but I can also tell it's a whole universe in itself. Somebody very famous once said, I don't remember his name, but very famous. He said there are two important dates, even most important dates in one's life. The number one is the day you are born, and the number two is why you are born. These two questions had to be answered during the lifetime. The earlier you get, the better. Why better? Because then you can go in seek of as why it is that you are born, and that is where the entire goal, the entire mission, the dhya lies in. So why there is a question always arise that people ask, why? Because each time you go to work, the majority of people other than those are working and earning for paying bills, EMIs, etc., etc. And we'll go through the lifestyle also quickly. And at the end of the day, there is always that why everybody every day wake up in the morning, go to work, whether you are self-employed or a business owner or an entrepreneur or a self-employed, the question always remains, what is my ultimate goal? What is my mission? What is my dhya? And when it comes to parent, as a parent specifically, because I believe all of us at some or other point of time have either been student or today we are parents. Hence, as parents, it even become more important for us to answer this question as to what is ultimate goal for my kid as a parent. What is that I am required to do? For in India, our own country, parenting is just not associated with doing duty, but unfortunately, it is focused on doing duty and not providing value to the kid. It is just like ticking the box. बच्चे को उठाना, उसको नहलाना, धुलाना, तैयार करना, टिफ़िन बनाना, स्कूल भेजना, then back to the kitchen, doing daily routine jobs, getting busy there. After that, when child comes, फिर उसका homework कराना, whether it is complete or not, and so on and so forth. Hence, while doing this all work, all of that, we forget that this is the value we bring and provide to the child. Now in this, majority of us get lost. You need to identify what is the value that you have to provide to your child, what you are supposed to give to the kid. Number one value, that is facing the kids, letting kids, being with kids, facing them face to face, asking relevant questions like what is that you are wanting to do in your life? What is that you are interested in doing? What is it that you like to do, and where do you see yourself when you grow and to be in life? Therefore, it becomes important or essential that we let the kid be their best version, be the best version of them, because it is not about we want them to build out. If I could not become an IITian or a doctor or an engineer, So our children has to fulfill that need for us? No, it does not work that way. They have their life, we have ours. It is about letting out kids feel respected, let them follow their heart, and allowing them. Have we given them courage to say that I am behind you, I am standing right next to you, I am with you, I am in full support of you. Do whatever you want to do and follow your heart. Finally, it is about all to be with them, let them do whatever they want to do, let them explore their own natural talent or natural gift they have, so that they can excel and succeed in life. Like, for example, Ranchhod Das Jhanjhar in Three Idiots said, सक्सेस के पीछे नहीं, एक्सीलेंस के पीछे भागो, एंड बाद में सक्सेस झक मार के आपके पीछे आएगा, बिकॉज यू विल गेट एक्सीलेंस ओनली व्हेन you have found out why are you on this earth, why are you living on this earth, what is the purpose. You know that journey, that is most important, and that is why it will give you extreme happiness, extreme satisfaction, fulfillment when you are happy. Naturally, the work you are doing or you are contributing, the effort you are putting in automatically starts throwing excellence all around. Professional as well as personal. For a VUCA word of work, VUCA it means volatile, uncertain, competitive, ambiguous. So it's important that we understand these aspects. Ultimately, children has to be happy. So parents are happy if children is happy. Whether the child is a rocket engineer, a salesperson, a gardener, or setting up some grocery store in his or her hometown, irrespective of that, happiness is what the child is needing, and that is what the parents are also after. But we cannot, unfortunately, what majority of parents do, they put them under all sorts of pressure cooker like scenario, and then they pray and hope the child will fulfill in life extraordinarily. That becomes a huge contradictory statement here. Why I am saying contradictory situation? Why? Because all of us, we spent 18 years in education. You start at the age of 5 and you study next 18 years, that is 21, 22 or 23 years of age. Along with that, lot of money is also involved. It is very obvious. And if you can't get a good job of your choice, you can't be satisfied, you cannot get settled in life, you cannot be happy, you cannot be successful, you are not doing well, then all is wasted, because you did not think, you did not plan earlier whatever came your way, you kept doing that. So you are not happy because of you have not planned your life. So to ensure that, I would assure that again and again it can only and only happen through career guidance. Thank you. Jai Hind.